Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying where space is used. Open Settings or a file manager and sort files by size. Delete large downloads and video files you no longer need, and remove obvious duplicates. Once done, empty the trash or recycle bin and clear app caches to reclaim immediate space. Make sure to log out of cloud services before deleting local copies if you plan to resync. This prevents accidental data loss and gives you headroom to continue the cleanup safely. Now run a disk usage analyzer to reveal bloated folders like old backups or caches. You should move photos, archives, and VM images to an external drive or cloud storage to free system volume space. Next, uninstall apps you no longer use and manually delete their leftover support files if the uninstaller missed them. While doing this, verify app preferences and license keys so you can reinstall later. This prevents losing important settings when you remove software to recover space. Finally, enable built-in storage optimization and set automatic clean schedules for downloads and temporary files so space stays free. Run a file system or disk check and rebuild search indexes to ensure freed space is recognized and performance is restored. Reboot and confirm available storage. If you still can't remove certain files, boot into safe mode or use an administrator shell to delete locked files. If a problem persists, check disk health. Failing drives often report full storage despite cleanup efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.